Okay, let's do a quick video before the open. So yesterday Tesla closed at 284.82, up $8.60. That's 3.11% up. Pre-market, we seem to be opening at 288.33 or something like this. So what does this all mean with our chart? So on the daily chart, we are still into our congestion zone between 295 and 273.79. So we are basically stuck between these two lines until we are no longer stuck. If we go higher than 295, this is going to be a trigger to buy. If we are going lower than 273.79, okay, I don't think this is going to be a trigger to sell because stochastic might not be below 60. This is what we need, depending on how fast we go down. So I cannot tell you for sure right now. I'm expecting that if we start to go lower than 273.79, by the time we get to 260, maybe stochastic is going to be gone. So then the trigger would be closing lower than 260.91 to trigger the sell. Saying this, as I say this, you can buy right now if you want to, because we still have stochastic over 60 on Tesla on the daily chart. I'm talking about the daily chart. I'll talk about the 1 hour chart later. So on the daily chart, we have stochastic over 60. Stochastic over 60 means we need to think long. So right now, you can buy right now. You can buy, and because we are bullish. Tesla is bullish because stochastic is over 60. So Tesla is bullish right now, but we don't know if it's going to remain bullish because it's going sideways for now. This move here that we had recently means that this is bullish because we are still in that move. We have not come down lower. We are still perched above. We are still perched above. So when we are perched above, we are still bullish. If you enter right now, you are going to get a better price if we eventually go higher than if you wait for the trigger at 295 before getting in. But if you wait for that trigger right here at 295, this is going to be a higher probability trade because it will have already started to move. So this is going to be a higher probability trade if you wait to buy after 295, but you are getting in a little bit higher. There's always trade-offs in the stock market. There's nothing black and white. So if you enter right now, you have a lower probability trade because we are just going sideways. There is no trigger in there, and we could be going lower or higher. So there's less chance that we go higher, but if we end up going higher, you would have gotten in at a lower price. So this is where we are all adults and we all know our own personal financial situation, so you can choose what you want to do. On the 1 hour chart, we are bullish on the 1 hour chart. Stochastic is over 60. Right now, we were perched yesterday above 286.89, which acted as a support for 4 hours, and then boom, it was lost yesterday. Right now, it's gained back, but we have stochastic over 60. If we lose it, I will not consider this a sell because we still have stochastic over 60. In order to sell, we need to have stochastic below 60. Boom. So right now, I don't see for now any sell trigger on the 1 hour chart to short it. But yes, for the bullish side, we have the same 295 that is still in effect on the 1 hour chart. If we break 295 on the 1 hour, this is going to be a buy on the 1 hour also. On the 5-minute chart, we had a nice support yesterday right here at 286.89. Easy to see. Nice support, and maybe lower because, you know, we have not respected 286.89 completely. We went a little bit lower, so we went as low as 286.11. So this was the better support. if you see it right here, boom, and we lost it yesterday. So that would have been a short. There was a resistance just above at 284.24. So maybe waiting for that to be cleared would have been better. But anyway, there is no problem right now. Well, there's no issue right now because we are opening at 287.84. So we are opening back up above 286. So I don't know what stochastic is going to do with that open in a few minutes after the open. But if we open back up right here, and stochastic stays under 60 and then we cross it back, then this is going to be another sell trigger that you can use. Let's take just a few minutes to take a look at the VIX as to what the VIX wants to do today, because this is going to influence what might be happening. So for the VIX, we have been into a congestion zone between 24.69 right here and 22.39, and we've been zigzagging between the two. So when the VIX is high, the stock market is low. VIX is relatively high at 22. We like it below 20. So the fact that VIX is at 22 does not tell us much. Well, it tells us that the stock market as a whole does not really want to go high right now. So shorting is a little bit better, unless we start to go lower than 22.39. We started to go lower a little bit yesterday, and also this morning we are a little bit lower, below 22.39. We are staying put though, so if we start going lower like this, then we should stop thinking going short. This is going to mean that we should start to think going long. So always take a look at the VIX to kind of qualify the buy triggers or the sell signal triggers you see on individual stock chart. Let's take a look at Dow Jones quickly. So Dow Jones, nice day yesterday, stopping at 41,826. That's not really a surprise. These are important resistance. SPX, nice day yesterday, 0.58% up. We are going to have some resistance soon at 5,800. Nasdaq also doing well, into a bullish channel. We have stochastic over 60, so this is bullish. We are going to encounter some obstacles at 20,525. And last one, Russell. Russell is doing interestingly well. This is a downward channel that we are in. Well, that we have been in since yesterday, because we stopped yesterday. We came out of it yesterday. So this is a quite bullish sign with this trigger right here. So there you have it. We'll see what's happening. I do a video every single day at the end of the market. So join me, subscribe, and we can see what has happened today and what can we expect for next week. So I'm gonna wish you a great day, and I'm gonna tell you à la prochaine.